Do you struggle to keep your students engaged with their reading? Revel offers an interactive learning experience that can help boost engagement. Revel for Exploring Strategy by Whittington et al. Delivers an engaging blend of market-leading textbook content, multimedia activities, and assessment. It provides students with a hands-on and current exploration of complex and diverse topics within strategic management. Let's have a look at the features and benefits of Revel for Exploring Strategy. Each chapter includes videos that support real-world examples. Video clips are focused on enhancing case illustrations or highlighting the immediate relevance of the topic to students. There are also videos created by the authors to help solidify students' understanding of the topics.
And the concept I want to explore with you now is stakeholder analysis. Stakeholder analysis is fundamental to understanding the purpose and governance of organizations.
Interactive elements such as hotspots and interactive figures help keep students engaged with the content by allowing students to work through complex management models, such as Porter's competitive 5 forces framework, at their own pace to avoid cognitive overload, whilst the embedded flashcards help students develop a stronger recall of key definitions. The new edition of the Revel features a range of videos of students describing how they've been able to apply these management models in their academic work, enabling students to see the relevance of these models from their peers. There is a wealth of up-to-date case studies written by experts to give students the opportunity to apply theory and develop the skills they need to think and behave like a manager. Examples are taken from events and organisations as diverse as AirAsia, Apple, and the Indian Premier League, with new case studies added or updated every year. Assessment features heavily in the Revel, not only formative and summative assessments, but also student-led self-assessments. The assessment questions have automatic detailed feedback, which promotes higher-order thinking skills in students. With Revel, you can monitor students' performance and progress through the dashboard, enabling you to take immediate action. Explore the Revel content available for your course or module. Get in touch at go.pearson.com/Revel in Action.